Transform your Webflow site into a thriving content hub by mastering the dynamic blog post page. First, let's get our content organized in your Webflow project. Navigate to the CMS panel on the left-hand sidebar, click on Create New Collection, and let's call this collection Blog Posts. For our Blog Posts collection, we'll need a few essential fields. Add a title for your post, a slug to make it web-friendly, an author field, a date for publication, a featured image to grab attention, and crucially, a rich text field for your actual blog content. Now, let's build the foundation for our blog posts from the Add Elements panel. Drag a section onto your canvas. Inside this section, drag a container to keep your content centered and manageable. This is where the magic happens. Drag a collection list into your container in the settings for this collection list. Select the blog posts collection we just created. This tells Webflow to pull content from our CMS. By default, the collection list comes with a card element. This card will represent a single blog post in our list. Delete the default placeholder text within this card. Now, let's design the look of each individual blog post. Drag an image element into your card. Click on the image element, and in its settings, you'll see a source option. Click the lightning bolt icon and select Featured Image. From your blog posts collection, this will dynamically pull the featured image for each post. Next, add a heading element again. Click the lightning bolt and select Title from your blog posts collection for the heading's content below that. Add a text block and connect its content to the author and date fields. Style these elements to create an appealing preview for your posts. To design what each individual blog post looks like, we need to go to the template page in the Pages panel. Find your blog posts collection and click on the icon to create a new blog post template page. This is the crucial step for designing your single post view. On your blog post template page, add another section and container here. You'll add a heading element for your post title, connecting its content to the blog post title below that. Add text blocks for the author and date. The most important element to add is the blog post rich text element. Drag this in, and in its settings, connect it to the blog post content field of your collection. This blog post rich text element is dynamic. Any formatting you do within your rich text CMS field, like headings, bold text, bullet points, or even embedded images, will automatically render perfectly on this template page, ensuring your content looks professional and readable. And there you have it. You've successfully added dynamic blog post pages to your Webflow site, allowing you to publish and manage your content seamlessly, all while keeping your design intact.